all set up to do the impression from Russell Klein at Denture Store Etsy. Link will be posted below. The gloves he gave me, I'm using freezer wrap that I'm doing everything on top of. Get you a pair of scissors, and here is the mixing stuff. This is enough for one impression. If you're doing your whole set impressions, you're going to get 2 of these and 2 of these. Let me show you the easiest way to get this going. Look on your pack and see where there's a little bit of no product. Take your scissors, cut that. Like so. Okay. Because we need to get this prepared. This one's obviously easy to cut. Move the rest of your stuff out the way, and what you're going to do is take and flip this inside out, kind of rock and roll it as you go, like so. And it pretty well will come out. Any other stuff, put it on there, and just get the rest of it out like that. Don't worry about the little nicks and crumbs. Bam. Same with this. Don't touch them together yet. So I'm going to show you a fast, easy way how to do this. Take put them in little logs like this. The smaller the better. Because I'm pretty good at this, I could do it different, but I'm doing it this way to give you an idea, okay? Okay, get your logs like that. Because what you're going to do, and leave enough space in between these. You know, they don't have to be perfect, you know, just because we're going to put every other one this and every one like that, okay? Move him out the way for a second. This is going to make the mixing a lot faster for you guys. I work with clay. I've been working with all sorts of clays, and one clay that dries really fast is metal clays. So I learned how to be very quick with clay, and this, which is kind of mixing the same with this stuff, okay? So kind of do it like this in your little snakes, because the minute this stuff starts touching, you have to roll. You have to rock and roll quickly, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to kind of stretch it along. Best you can like that, okay? Because once they touch, it's going to start activating. So you want to make sure when you're putting these logs in, don't touch them till you're ready, okay? And if you have to do a little this and that to kind of touch it up, just don't touch the clay. I mean, not the clay, the mixture. Do not touch it until you're ready to mix. That's the key here, okay? If you have to move a little around, that's good. That's okay. Any way you can kind of fit it in there. Draw it around, okay? Draw it around. Just don't let it mix. Don't let it touch. I'm going to show you. Okay, we're going to do a little right here. Mix it around. Just any way you keep them like this, okay? Just fit it in there, best way it will go. And don't press it on the paper. It's going to already go. And that's why I said be on the waxy side. See? So now I got to really roll now, okay? So I'm just going to step up the pace because you got 10 seconds. and squeeze and smush like this. See how quick that's going? And just keep on squeezing and mushing. Look at that. Already it's green. Look, bam.